Beats Studio Pro. This headphone is with active noise cancelling and transparency mode. All day battery life up to 40 hours total battery life. Enhanced Apple and Android capability. Beats Studio. Lossless audio via USB Type-C plus 3 distinct built-in sound profiles. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. Beats renowned studio over-ear headphone got radical upgrade with custom acoustic platforms. Deliver a truly immersive listening experience. 40mm speakers driver in each ear. Engineered for optimal clarity with near zero distortion even at high volume. In 2 dynamic listening mode let you choose whether to keep the sound of the world out or let them in. Calls with clarity. Upgrade voice targeting microphone give you high quality performance and clarity. Powerful microphone actively filter out background noise to enhance the clarity of your voice. Long lasting battery 40 hours and also with comfort design. We're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. Nice. I like the packaging. Beats. There we go. You can see the color. This is brown color with the cable. This is aux cable. And this one is Type-C cable for charging. These are the stuff included in the packaging. I like the packaging. And also you have information pack. This is the information pack. So this is what we have here. Beats. Very smooth and soft. Very comfy. I like the color. Can also bend it this way. Easy to carry headset. Switch it on and off on this button. I see the light is highlighting. This gadget deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed. And stay blessed. This is the unboxing and overview. This is Beats Studio Pro headset. Thank you.